Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and permissions so the blocker can act. Install the OnlyWay app and grant its requested network and admin permissions. This lets it alter routing. Once done, note the target device IP or MAC on your local subnet and export a backup of your router or device network settings in case you need to revert. Make sure elevated access is enabled if the app requests it, because without that you cannot enforce low-level blocking rules. Now you configure the core rules that actually stop traffic. Open OnlyWay, create a new rule and select the target device by IP or MAC, then choose the protocols and ports to block. Once configured, pick block mode, temporary for testing, scheduled for recurring blocks, or permanent for continuous enforcement, and decide whether to filter DNS names or raw IPs for stronger effect. Test with a short time frame. Watch the app logs for hits, and refine exceptions. Finish by applying your rules and verifying that the target device behavior matches expectations. You should test web access, app connectivity, and any affected services, and confirm other devices remain unaffected. If something breaks, disable the rule or use your backup to roll back immediately. That prevents outages. If problems persist, inspect OnlyWay logs for dropped packets, flush DNS caches on clients, reboot the router or device, and then reapply a refined rule set. This sequence minimizes downtime and ensures reliable enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.